Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
In today's video, we are going to install the softwares which are used to write, debug and run the Python program. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Open your browser, type in Python on the Google. You can find first link python.org. Click on this link. You can see the download link over here. You have to click on or releases. There is a download Python 3.11.4. This is the latest version of Python. You can click on this button and download the Python software. Currently I am having Windows 10 machines with me, so I am going to click on this button for Windows installer. If you have other operating system, Linux or Mac, you can find right here. You can also see all the history of Pythons so far. You can find release notes along with the version. So I click on download Python button. So the Python is getting downloaded on my browser. You can see the Python is downloaded at my browser. So I'm clicking on the installer. You can see I have Python already installed on my machine, so I could see the modify, repair and uninstall version. I'm not going to touch any of the option here. I just click on cancel button. Next software we have to install is a code editor. It's a tool that is used to write and edit code. They are usually lightweight and can be great for learning. However, once your program gets larger, you need to test and debug your code. That is where IDEs come in. An IDE, Integrated Development Environment, understand your code much better than a text editor. It usually provides features such as build automation, code writing, testing and debugging. This can significantly speed up your work. The downside is that IDEs can be complicated to use. There are so many IDEs in the market. So very first IDE is IDLE editor. This is installed by default when you install Python on your machine. You can find IDLE in your Windows. You can see there is an app IDLE Python 3.11 64-bit version on the machine. It's a default editor. You can write and debug your program in this editor too. Second option we have is Atom editor. You can find Atom editor. You can see this is a free and open source editor. You can use this editor as well to create Python programs. Next editor we have Visual Studio Code. This is created by Microsoft. It is free and open source tool that can be used for Python development. You can add extensions to create a Python development environment as per your need in vscode. This is an editor which can be used to create Python programs. Next option we have PyCharm. You can see PyCharm is an IDE for professional developers. It is created by JetBrains, a company known for creating great software development tool. And there are two options. There are two editions available on the official site. If you see, first one is a professional edition, that is paid version, full featured IDE with support for web development. Second one is community edition. It's free open source version, lightweight, good for Python. So we will use PyCharm throughout the course as an editor. If you want to download the PyCharm, just click on this download PyCharm. There are two editions, you see, professional and community. I would recommend to download community edition on your machine.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.